Mastering the phrase, perform a jump. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, perform a jump. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Perform a jump is a phrase that combines the verb perform with the noun jump. To perform means to carry out an action or task, while a jump is an act of leaping into the air. Together, this phrase implies executing a leap or jump, often with a specific intention or skill. This phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Sports and athletics. In sports like basketball or gymnastics, athletes often perform jumps as part of their routine. 2. Entertainment. Performers in shows or movies might perform a jump as part of a stunt. 3. Everyday language. You might use it casually, like saying, I saw a cat perform a jump onto the wall. Let's see some examples. The dancer will perform a jump in the final act of the performance. In the high jump event, athletes must perform a jump over a horizontal bar. The action movie featured a scene where the hero had to perform a jump from a building. It's important to note that perform a jump is not the same as just jump. The word perform adds an element of deliberation and skill. So, when you use this phrase, ensure the context involves a planned or skilled action. That's all for today. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, perform a jump, and its usage in different contexts. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like this. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.